Today let us introduce our this 2000 watts 4-in-1 laser welding cutting cleaning machine. As you can see, it has a beautiful appearance and compact structure. This specification is with Relfar double wobble laser head and dual wire feeding machine. Has 7 modes and higher welding ability. Now let us introduce the machine wire connection. Because the machine current is very big, we usually need to connect the wire directly to the switch. The red wire is the live wire, marked as L. The green wire is the neutral line, marked as N. The yellow wire is earth wire, marked as P. Please make sure the wire connection is completely correct. After connecting the power cord exactly, we turn on the switch. At the back part of the machine, there are some wire interfaces. The uppermost black one is the machine power cord. We finished the connection on the other end just now. The second one is the air pipe. As you know, when doing the welding and cutting, we need to ventilate the laser head with nitrogen or argon. The diameter of the machine air tube is 6 mm. We will configure 6 mm and 8 mm connectors to connect to the air tank for you. The pressure of the air tank is generally very high. We need to use a pressure-reducing valve to reduce the pressure. The air pressure suitable for the machine is 0.2 to 0.5 MPa, cannot be more than 0.7 MPa. The third two black ones are the dual wire feeding machine connection wire. The thicker one is connected to the power cord interface. The thinner one is connected to the signal interface. There will be other videos for the wire feeding machine and the way to change the length and copper nozzle. No introduction here. The chiller is at the front part of the machine. You can see it after opening the machine front door. After we open the machine front door, we will see this is water position show. If the water in yellow area, there is too much water, we need to reduce the water. If in green area, it is okay. If in red area, be lack of water, we need to add the water by remove the black cover. Before sending out the machine, we will remove the water completely. Please add the suitable water before you begin to use it after the machine arrival. Usually, we need to completely change the water 2 months at a time. Please note about the water, it is better that adding pure water or special coolant. In winter, it is better to add special antifreeze, cannot call antifreeze. Now the machine wire connection is over. Let us open the machine. Twist right the red button. Twist right the key button. Now the control system is turned on. The bottom blue button is the laser source control button. We need to press down it when starting to do the welding. We set the system to welding system as default, so we enter the welding system. Now you can see how to change the system languages. There are 30 languages available. These are the control system operation interface overview. It is used for welding, cutting, and welding seam cleaning. After setting suitable parameters, you should press down the bottom blue button. Keep the laser and feeding on. To begin the laser welding, the most important is that do not point the laser head to any person or life. 3 times for important things. Do not point the laser head to any person or life. Do not point the laser head to any person or life. Do not point the laser head to any person or life. The default welding system can finish laser welding, cutting, and welding seam cleaning. The difference is that when doing the laser cutting, keep the feeding off and change the suitable copper nozzle. When doing the welding seam cleaning, keep the feeding off and change the welding seam cleaning nozzle. Press the weld bead cleaning mode to enter this mode. Select the suitable parameter and wobble type. There are 7 wobble types available. And then open the laser to do the cleaning. When we want to do the remote cleaning, we need to change the control system first. Press System Parameters. Press Authorization. Press Welder to input the passwords. 6666666. Press Cleaning 100 mm. When we do the remote cleaning, we need to change the focus length and remote cleaning protective cover, like the system shows. After that, pressing the confirm. Now we need to reboot the system. Twist left to shut down and twist to turn on. Press the confirm again. Now the control system has been changed to remote cleaning mode successfully. There are 6 cleaning modes available. You can also set the other parameters to reach an excellent cleaning effect. Now the machine introduction is over. Thanks for your watching. Let us enjoy the machine using effect at the end.